I'm calling my man, the so-called man, that says, oh, so-called, quote unquote, says, oh, well, I can't because my mom's tripping about it. Well, you should be able to have that same energy back. So if she can jump and make reservations, why can't you?
What's poppin' in the hitters? It's your girl Lana Name, and I am back with another video. And today I have my sis. Today I got my sis Vic with me. Go ahead, Vic, show yourself out.
Hi, my name is Victoria. You can find me on Instagram, Victoria Marshall, Snapchat, Victoria Marshall. Pretty much everything's Victoria Marshall. Why would you laugh?
Pretty much everything is Victoria Marshall.
Yeah, I mean, I just shot it out.
Alright, so anyways, y'all, we eating some snacks.
I literally got plain chips.
We hungry. I got a honey bun and some chips. This is bad.
Horrible.
Viewer discretion is advised. What we got going on today is we're gonna talk about, we're gonna tell y'all 10 things that is a sign that a dude not messing with you. Like for real. Because dudes, they know what they be doing. They could tell you one thing
and mean a whole total nother.
Exactly. And it's just like really annoying, you know, at the same time, because like if a female is putting energy into texting you back, putting energy into like even giving you attention, because I'm pretty sure there's other dudes on her line. If you're not feeling her, feeling shorty, like,
be honest, let her know.
Be honest, like, why do y'all have to continue to go on and on?
Lie about it.
I think it's just because so they can get some. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know the vibes. Follow my sis on her social media. And
I'm very lame, by the way. First sign is not texting back or answering any phone calls. Now, I have had multiple times where I have texted or called someone and they never gave me the time or the day. So why have my phone number? Block. Period. Sis.
Why? A sign that a dude is not really into you if he not really trying to come see you. Like no shots fired, but if y'all live in 2 different states or 2 different cities, you know, and you know he kind of just making up excuses why he can't come see you or make a trip. Dudes, people, and females, not just dudes, girls and males, make time for the things that they want
or need,
you know. So if you keep sitting up here telling me like, oh, like this happened, or oh, how am I gonna get there? There's trains, there's planes, and there's vehicles, but some people may not have their own car or their license, so there's other, you know, alternatives like trains or planes. But if he's still making up excuses,
sis, it's not even worth it.
It's a dub.
It's not even worth it. This is another thing.
What?
See, when a female can jump like that to make sure she can make a trip to come to you, and the whole time she has to cancel because it's something totally different that has, like, you know, like for instance a mom problem. So if mom says, oh, it's something going on here or something going on there, well, mom's concerned. So I'm calling my man, the so-called man that says, oh, so-called quote unquote says, oh, well, I can't because my mom's tripping about it. Well, you should be able to have that same energy back. So if she can jump and make reservations, why can't you? That's
exactly.
See?
Exactly. And yeah, that just, and you have to really, like, at that point, it's like if you're continuing to make up whatever excuses, it's just like, all right, I'm gonna fall back. That's that.
Or you're just gonna be on my block list, period, because my block game is strong.
Yeah, her block game is really strong.
I don't play. I'm a grown ass woman. Well, we're gonna say not the ass word, I'm sorry. Tootsie woman. And I'm just like, I don't got time for boys.
Yeah, at all. And it's just like crazy, you know, thinking about how dudes can just continue to make up lies instead of being up front. I'd rather you be right up front than just continue to make up stuff.
Right,
you know?
Another one is, okay, so I really hate this. This is one thing I really hate. So, you know, I hate when a guy says basically when you want to go out, right? And he expects you to pay for yourself. No, no. You are taking me out.
Especially on the first date.
Yes, the first date, he's supposed to pay. If you ever get a man and you first meet him and he's like, oh, you want to go out to eat? Are you paying for both of us? That's a problem.
Yeah.
Excuse my language again. That's still a problem. Like, you should never, ever have to pay for yourself on the first date. And
yeah,
then
not on the first date.
Getting some tootie on the first day. 90-day probation, sweetheart. 90-day probation. You know that think like a man, you better think like one, because they don't give a care. As long as they getting their ping pong wet, they good, bro.
Yeah, so
they don't say anything.
I feel like another sign that a dude is not really into you is if he's not really consistent with texting or FaceTiming. I feel like that's a big role when you're like interested in a male, and that's vice versa. I guess, but more so on the male part, because like as a woman or a girl, you know, you want to feel like, oh, he's interested, you know,
or you're wanted, or needed.
Yeah, and I feel like, and the reason why I said vice versa is because like when, you know, when y'all get to continue to date on, then it should be reciprocated for your dude to feel like he's wanted and stuff. But in the beginning stages, the girl should like automatically feel like, oh, he's like consistently texting, consistently FaceTiming. So I feel like that is a huge role when getting into a new relationship and starting fresh and stuff like that. But so if he's not really consistent with texting, none of that, sis, like
it's time to go.
You just gotta fall back a little bit. You know, you don't have to completely cut him off. Just continue to like, you know, wait it out a little bit, see if he for sure not really into you, but then see if he's for sure kind of into you. Because some dudes have a hard time of expressing how they feel and express, because you know, dudes, they want to be all
tough, you know,
tough, and
don't want to let go of their ego at all.
Right.
Don't ever. Now, female is quick, like literally quick to tell you how they feel, and men, they'll just sit back and literally watch you, not like wanting to say anything. But then you sit there and be like, bruh, like, can you say something to me? Can you let me know you like you care or you want to be? Because I'm so tired of that. Y'all men need to really put y'all egos down and tell a woman how you feel. Communication is key, sweetheart. And if you can't have that communication, there is a problem. Period. Even if it was way back in a relationship you was in or whatever, that's gonna mess up your next relationship if you can't communicate. Not all women are the same. Not all women are what they called what do you call it, talk too much, or not all women are annoying. They just want to know. That's all they want. They just want to know. And if you can't get a man that can talk back to you, sweetheart, that's not for you.
Definitely assure us, because women, we like the assurance, we like the reminders, you know, even though we know that we're beautiful, even though we know that you know, you want us. We want to hear it more, you know, and stuff like that. And I'm not saying like OD. Yeah. But you know, it's just
more like wake up in the morning like, oh, you're such a beautiful queen, or
it's nice, you know,
to get a reminder. It's nice every now and then, even when she's ugly, and you just feel like, no, like serious, like even when you wake up in the morning, you just feel ugly or you feel fat or anything, like you have to reassure your girl that she is beautiful, that she is she's and you're like magnificent to you. Show her that. Like, it's just a lot of men that won't do that. Like, for instance, I've been in a relationship, you know what I'm saying, and I felt like I've had 3 kids, you know, 3 beautiful children, and I just felt really insecure about myself. How is it that you can go look at these certain females and then I'm looking at you saying like, bro, I don't look like that no more. Like, I don't feel beautiful. Are you gonna tell me I'm beautiful? If you can look at these women like that, why can't you look at me like that? Is there something wrong with me? Is it a problem with me? That's pretty much like, come on.
So
any woman.
we just need that assurance and stuff like that. But what, do you have another one?
Honestly, I could talk more about bad stuff than all of this other stuff, but no, I really don't have another one. I mean,
I feel like, I feel like if a dude is not really into you, he'll probably just more than likely only talk about sex. Literally. And he won't even seem like he's like into you as a person,
because you would know if a man is interested in you because he will want to know everything about you. First time talking, all he wants to hear is about you, you. He wants to know you mentally, physically, emotionally. He wants to know you. So the fact of the matter is if he's not asking about you or trying to better you as a woman or girl, you don't need to be hollering, sis. You need to just step away from that and go find something more, because you're worth way more. Every woman should know that.
Yeah. I think that's all I can think of right now.
Yeah, bro. That, like, literally, you don't come.
I know. Like, I don't even know. I don't even know if that was 10 things.
No, it really wasn't.
I don't even know who was counting. I wasn't counting, but I don't know if that was 10,
12,
but hopefully it was close to 10 or maybe a little bit more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I just wanted to speak on this topic
because a lot of women,
I've been wanting to speak
a lot of women should know this. Like, I even want to like do a podcast on empowering women, because us women have gone through a lot, and if anybody really knows, women really rule, like, we rule this world because we raised our young men to be men when their fathers wasn't there, and
niggas know they wouldn't know what to do without girls.
Exactly. We wouldn't be, like, men literally wouldn't be here if it wasn't for us. We run. They
don't. Oh, look at my camera, it's about to die. So, all right, we're gonna wrap it up. We'll speak on that topic a different time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girl some love. Don't forget to follow Vic on her social medias. It will be down below in the description box. And we love you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Comment down below what we should drop next, because I will be collabing more with Victoria. And y'all just let us know. She hella funny, y'all. Y'all gonna see how funny she is. Like, she's hella funny. But anyways, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Please share my video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for a shout out, and stop playing.
Because if you don't, I'm coming for you.
Oh, we gotta get a thumbnail. Let's do like something like, no, like, cause we're talking, we gotta do a thumbnail based off the topic. And it was like, like 10 signs. Okay, that's good.